Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is December the 30th, 2020, and we are going to give you all an update on Cardano. You all can see from our price chart that we did not place a forecast into the market because the market could have went in any direction. That's something that we talked about 3 days ago on our last video about Cardano. So today, the trap has laid down a couple more ideas as to what he is feeling in regards to where price is going to go. So today, hopefully we should be able to put in the forecast into the market for Cardano. But before we do, if this is your first time watching our video and you all appreciate the content and the simplicity of our price predictions, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and as well, share the video. So now, it's been 3 days. The last time we did our video in Cardano was on December the 27th, 2020, which is right here. And we told you that the market was really going to be stagnated. We wasn't going to see a lot of price movement into the market in Cardano, and for the most part the market went higher. Right after we completed our video on the 27th of December, you all can see that the market in Cardano went up about 14% the next following day, and now you can see that the market in Cardano is coming right back down. What occurred into the market yesterday was clearly an indication that the market was selling. Okay, with this high volume that came into the market yesterday for Cardano, and for us to be down almost 6% right now, lets us know that the market sold off right there around 19 cents, 20 cents. Okay, so going forward, we can see as I zoom out, I wanted to show you that we had our restriction area right there around 18 cents. The trap was able to take the market all the way back here to a point back on July the 18th, 2018, about 2 years ago. Okay, this is where the market topped out at, right there around 20 cents. So we didn't have our restriction area precisely on point to where he was able to take the market. So we're going to move our restriction area up there towards that 20 cent area, since today and yesterday is where he's shown us that he found a problem of pushing the value of Cardano higher. Okay, next thing I wanted to show you is the fact that this slope of this trend in Cardano going higher, it cannot be sustained. It is too steep. So what we're going to expect the market trap to do over the next couple of days is still expecting him to really consolidate this market and then eventually drop the price down into the, I'll say around 15-16 cent price range. So first, let's take a look at the different time frames. First, we're going to look at the market in Cardano on the 2-day time frame, and you all can see that the market in Cardano is definitely going through some weakness. The trend is still in play though, so the strength into the market in Cardano is still here, but we're not too convinced that that strength is going to be sustained for, an insurmountable amount of time. We're definitely expected to take a break relatively soon. And here on the 3-day time frame, you all can see that, yeah, we're still seeing indications of more sellers in the market than we are seeing buyers. How do we know? Well, the market is closing well off of the highs, so that tells us that there is an inundation of selling going on into the market in Cardano right now. And then when we look at the market in Cardano on the 5-day time frame, we've seen a steady increase. You guys can see in volume in Cardano over the last couple of 5-day price bars. We're seeing higher volume on this current 5-day price bar, and we're still seeing a bigger indication of selling entering the market. So what do you expect to see into the market in Cardano right now? Looking here on the 11-hour time frame, we're definitely seeing indications of market weakness. The trap has already shown us that he was able to grab that support area right there around 17.5 cents. So that lets us know going forward, if price is going to go higher in Cardano, it needs to stay above 17.5 cents. So on this particular forecast package, we're still going to go with some weakness entering the market in Cardano. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. I'm going to go ahead and put in a short forecast. We want to hold that restriction area at 20 cents now. Okay. Now we're still following this overall trend, right? But like I said, I'm not expecting this trend to last too much longer of Cardano seemingly going higher on this very steep ascending line that I got drawn on this chart. We're going to TP the market in Cardano right there around 17 cents, which is about 5.64% profitability movement to the downside. But I'm going to bring it down ultimately towards 16 cents initially, so we can also try to accommodate any outside weakness that pushes the value of Cardano a lot lower than our expectations. Okay, so this is our forecast right here into the market in Cardano. We're not seeing a huge amount of strength, something that we all need to be on the lookout for. You know, a lot of these cryptocurrencies are seeing a pretty good movement higher in price, but that cannot be sustained. So for us on this particular video for Cardano, we're going to expect the market to go lower. We're not expecting a crash. So for all of those who are bullish into the market Cardano, just relax. We're just expecting a trap just to lower the value of Cardano just a little bit. That's it. The market has to go lower in order for it to resume to higher price. And currently the trap is showing us that he's willing to take the market a little bit lower. And we're going to get in position and expect that to come to fruition so that we can profit right alongside with him. So if you see anything different, as always, you know, we have a community here. Leave us a comment in the comment section and tell everyone what are you seeing on the price chart for Cardano. This is what we're seeing on the price chart. Our price chart is not confusing. So when you leave us a comment and everyone else reads your comment, don't make it confusing. The market is not supposed to be confusing. So tell us what direction you're seeing the market going in Cardano in the next 3 days. And as always, give us your TP price. Your TP price simply means where would you take the profit? Where would you take the bag back from the trap? Okay. For us, it's 17 cents, ultimately down to 16 cents. Okay. So yeah, questions, comments, as always, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Go and trade different.